You may use a cotton mat above rubber mat as it is skin friendly and hygienic. Now, how to come down? Bend your knees, stretch your both legs in front, take support of the elbow and lie down in Shavasana. You may remove your specs, keep it side, palms facing upwards, apart the both legs, keep the whole body relaxed. Keep the body as still as possible. Now, join the both legs together. Take your right hand above the head. Fold the left leg at the knee. Turn to the right side. Straighten the both legs. Slowly take support of the both palms. Press the ground and you may come to any comfortable sitting position, cross-leg posture, Sukhasana. Rub your both palms, generate the heat, make it warm and make a cup shape, cover your eyes. Do not press your eyeballs. Bring your palms in front of your eyes, open your eyes. You may also lie down from any one side if you are unable to lie down by keeping the elbow down, and then you can turn in Shavasana. Once again, apart the legs and palms facing towards the roof. Now once again, you may turn to any one side and taking support of the both palms, you may sit. If your knee permits, your ankle permits, you may sit in Vajrasana. You may keep your arms above the head if you feel that is comfortable for you. If you feel cold, you may use a blanket to keep yourself warm. Do remember, you better come from any one side. Do not come straight as it may jerk your back. You may keep a pillow below the legs. If you feel you have back pain, it will give support to your back. If you want, you can roll a pillow and you can keep it as a support below your neck. And you can comfortably lie down by keeping the support of the pillow apart the legs, apart your palms, relax.